€1,000 a month for 15 years. Is it enough to retire? Let's say you're 55, you can invest €1,000 a month. You have 15 years. Here's the real question. Will that buy you freedom at 70? Or will you still need to work? Before we go into the math, let me be clear. I am 59. I am in this phase myself. I don't have the luxury of making theoretical mistakes. The numbers matter to me too. That's why we are going to look at this properly. And I'll show you exactly what €1,000 a month for 15 years actually buys you in income. €1,000 per month, that's €12,000 per year. Over 15 years, 180,000 of your own money. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. They think that the 180,000 is the story. It's not. The return is the story. Let's compare three outcomes. Conservative, 3%. After 15 years, 232,000. Safe? Yes. Powerful? No. Balanced, 6%. After 15 years, €290,000. Now compounding starts working. Growth, 8%. After 15 years, 347,000. That's over €100,000 more than playing it safe. Allocation matters. Now, let's translate that into income. €290,000 at age 70. What does that actually pay you? Roughly €900 per month. Add your state pension, UK, around £1,200 total monthly income. Eastern Europe, around 1,400, 1,700, depending on the country. Not luxury, but stable. If you own your own house. And here is the part most people ignore. These numbers mean nothing if you still have a mortgage at 70. That changes everything. At 55, mortgage strategy is retirement strategy. Now let's talk starting position. If you already have 80,000 invested today, at 6% for 15 years, that becomes roughly €190,000. Add your €1,000 per month plan, and you reach about 480,000 at age 70. Now you're generating roughly 1,600 per month from investments alone. That's a completely different outcome. If you're starting from zero, you reach around 290,000. Stable, but not flexible. If you're starting from zero and still carry debt, then €1,000 per month won't save you. You must fix the structure. There are 3 mistakes that destroy this plan. First, interrupting contributions. Missing even 2 or 3 years weakens compounding dramatically. Second, panic selling during downturns. 15 years includes market crashes. Accept that. Third, staying too conservative out of fear. The difference between 3% and 7% is 6 figures. Fear is expensive, but recklessness is worse. So, balance wins. Here's the truth. €1,000 a month for 15 years is not magic. It won't make you rich, but it creates options, and options at 70s are everything. So is €1,000 a month for 15 years enough? If you already have a base and no mortgage, yes, you can build stability. If you're starting from zero, you can survive. If you still carry debt at 70, it won't be enough. You're 55, you're not early, but you're not finished either. If you want to test your own numbers, use the free retirement sheet below. Plug in your own starting amount, your monthly contribution, your return assumption, and see where you actually stand. Clarity beats guessing every time. Hope to see you in the next video.